They're good.
No, I crimped all these.
Yeah, but there's no leak in there. Plug it up and run it, and you see where it's going everywhere.
There's no leak here. That's not a leak.
What's the leak? What is this leaky speed of?
So Phil hasn't called his plumber. What do you mean, there's anything to drink? Fucking, I don't want you to drink water?
That's drywall water.
Well, alright, since we're taking a break, let's go see what kind of damage was done downstairs.
Yeah, come down here.
Come
Come on now.
We're coming.
Okay, so we're running another test. Plug it.
Plug it up, good. I'm putting it in.
Oh my god! You better turn that off! Oh my god! Why did you keep going? Oh my god! Oh my god! This fucking is free! Oh my god! So much! You know what the only problem is?
Oh my god!
There's a fucking membrane over there, right? So it's not gonna leak as bad over there.
That's not a membrane, dude.
Well, that black oh my god, it got behind the membrane!
Oh, dude!
Here it starts. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He's gonna get killed.
Oh my god.
Alright, download some more shit on his phone.
What?
So he's not bad though, guy. That's too much then. Alright, let's go downstairs and see what's going on.
Oh my god, this is filled with water. Oh my god.
Alright, let's see what's going on down here.
Oh my god, this is just filled with fucking water. Yeah, Pierre's over. Oh my god, he's gonna get murdered.
What's that noise?
Should we fix the basement? It's good?
No.
Oh, that's too much of a food.
I think on the mixer. What the fuck is all that noise? Imagine if Pi came right now.
Yeah, Pierre's oh yeah.
This is so deformed already.
Yeah.
See? Where's the main area that's dripping from?
Oh, right over there. Oh yeah, that's gonna help.
Oh my god.
Now this is your proverbial drop in the bucket.
Oh my god. How are you gonna fall asleep today knowing you're gonna die tomorrow? Jesus Christ, this drywall is so worthless. It's all I gotta get torn down. It's just loaded with water. The drywall's soaked.
That's not fucked up at all.
All this drywall needs to come off.
Oh shit.
But we're talking about 4 huge sheets of drywall to come off.
No, they'll just cut around it.
These pieces are garbage. Yeah, these pieces are worthless stuff too. Oh my god. Oh my god, your dad is gonna massacre you. He is gonna fucking destroy your asshole.
It's such a bright idea.
Like we're talking about your asshole is not exist no more. Just go on the internet, find out like it's when.
Oh, something dripped on me.
Oh my god. Hey, Kashanka?
Kashanka?
Kashanka is dead.
Nah. You really need a 24-hour plumber, Phil.
The plumber will come tomorrow morning.
No, I think you don't want to piss off your dad any more than this.
If your dad comes here and sees this, he's gonna have a fit.
Think about it. That plumber of yours that's gonna be that was doing your work for you before, he might have work to do tomorrow. So then, fucking when the drywallers come along, they're not gonna be able to do anything until the fucking plumber does anything. You better get that 24 hours
coming tomorrow.
You better get that 24-hour guy to show up real fast. You gotta book some shit already, guys. Not
a fucking chance I get from tomorrow, dude.
Oh my god.
These drywallers can't listen to that. Oh my god, dude, that's gonna be so good.
Alright, that's enough video for now.
Oh my God.
Phil is.
I can't wait. I'm gonna be there.